How to withdraw Worldcoin to GCash. To withdraw Worldcoin to GCash, you'll need to first convert your Worldcoin to a cryptocurrency that is supported by Gcrypto. Then sell it for Philippine pesos, and then transfer it to your GCash wallet. So to do this, first thing you want to do is go open your GCash and then convert the Worldcoin to a supported crypto, like Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or Ethereum that is supported by Gcrypto. Then you want to transfer that to Gcrypto. So if you're using a platform like MoonPay, you can directly withdraw to your bank account, and from there, you can transfer the money to your GCash wallet. If you're using a platform like Kraken, you can sell WorldCoin and withdraw to your bank account, then transfer it to GCash. Then you want to sell it on Gcrypto. So if your platform supports it, you can directly sell the cryptocurrency for PHP within the Gcrypto, and then you can now cash out. So you can withdraw the Gcash, you can then withdraw the PHP from Gcrypto to your Gcash wallet. And that's how you can withdraw WorldCoin to Gcash.